and then we're surprised at our results.
Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm ready now to show you the medium wave band. What I did is I went to radio-locator website, and I had it search for all the AM medium wave stations within 40 miles of me, and it only found 24 stations. That's kind of a sign of the times. The medium wave and AM stations in the United States, they kind of disappeared. So I did a scan with my new Tecsun S-2200x, and what I love about this radio and its predecessors is this medium wave loop antenna that swivels. I love that. And it's big. It's very big. So we'll see what we got. So I'm looking at my computer screen, and it says the first one, frequency-wise, is 570, which is only 4.3 miles, which is what you're listening to.
Because they watch their family
And the
marginalized things.
S meter is almost pegged. And let's see the effects of rotating this. Watch the S meter.
An outcome we don't like.
Okay, this station is so close that it doesn't make any difference. Okay. Now, it did pick up some noise at 520. Oop. Well, this is touchy. Oop, going the wrong way. It helps you go the right way. Okay, there's 520. This noise could be from my computer or the lights. Okay, let's go on. There's the 570, 620, and on the web page, 620 is the next one, 12.5 miles. 680, 680 is the next one in the listing, 11.8 miles. 710, there's none at 710, noise. 760, 760 is the next one on the list. It's 30 miles, and it's in Brandon. Now, I'm trying to remember where Brandon is. I think it's east of me. Let me see what happens when I do this. That's a little better.
The president makes decisions that do affect us, no question. Elections have consequences, but
not a big difference. But that's 2.5 miles. I mean, 29.5, excuse me. The other thing is, FM and AM are typically better in the evening. And right now it's 9 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. So keep that in mind. So the next one, whoops, skipped it, 820. And that's the next one in the listing. 860, meter's almost pegged. That's the next one. 910, that's the next one, and that's 34 miles, and it's in Plant City, which is in that direction. So let's see if we can improve it. Nope. Having your hand on it makes a difference too. And that's kind of the way that we should be oriented. This way, pointing perpendicular that way towards the station. Again, this is 34 miles away. Coming in. Not good, but coming in. Let's go on. 950. No 950, that's noise. 970 is strong and close. It's only 10 miles.
We don't know. We know. We do No, yeah, that there was a 911 call.
1010, next one. So I'm getting them all. 30, that's 31 miles. Wow. That's 31 miles away. According to the listing. Getting a little squeal.
Here they are. You might have felt that same way, but you learn
Yeah.
subconsciously, even hearing your mom and
And so far, the orientation of the antenna didn't seem to make much difference. Okay. What's the next one? Next one is 140. Okay, I'm not going to keep repeating it's on the list. If it's not on the list, I'll mention it. Clear as a bell. 8 miles. 22 miles away. No, excuse me, this one is 22 miles away. The other one was 9 miles. 16 miles. 10 miles. 22.5.
Tampa Bay.
Tampa Bay. 2 miles. Not on the list. Not on the list. Not
to them.
On the list.
That it's going to have an effect. Typically, whenever
11 miles. Perfect.
were to quote the Bible.
Yep. It's on the list, 16 miles, and it's in 1470. Eagle Lake, Florida. Not sure exactly where that is. Ooh, that time my hand helps.
Okay.
Era Ursularia Seria de la Caridad Cruz Alfonso. Úrsula de la Caridad. Hilaria. Ursularia Seria de la Caridad Cruz Alfonso.
Okay, we'll leave that alone.
Había un carnaval.
Okay, did I skip over one? Yeah. 1490. Okay, 1490, I missed one. At 1490, it's 37 miles away, and it didn't catch that one. First one it didn't catch.
The letters claims trabajan por ustedes.
Los cazadores públicos de Leos Claim.
23 miles. 22 miles. Nope, that's just noise. That's it. So it caught all but one of the, how many was there? 24 stations on AM or medium wave. Pretty darn good. Pretty good. So this would probably be, not probably, this would be a good medium wave AM DX machine using the built antenna. And of course, it has a jack to use an external antenna. Pretty impressive. So far, I really like this radio. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.